Hi guys, picked up a couple of battery operated fans, handheld fans today. Been looking for some for quite a while. When you don't need them, there's loads in the charity shops, bargain stores, normal stores. And they've all disappeared with this heat wave on. So I knew I'd seen some brand new in a charity shop. This is them. It says Gem Imports on it. Made in China, of course. Yeah, I'd seen these in one of the charity shops and went in there and could not find them. I was about to give up. I'd gone out of the shop, looked back at their front window, and they were on display in the front window. They'd got none in the shop, but they'd still got a box full in the window. So I asked them for them. Got one of each colour. They're AAA batteries. They got the fold-out flap on the back, and I've put two AAA batteries in both of them. They're not very good. AAA batteries aren't going to last very long anyway, but they will provide a bit of a breeze. So, better than nothing at all. And when I saw these earlier on in the year, I was thinking of buying them just for the excuse of making another fan-driven car and just sticking them on the back of a little car. But I never did buy them. And then my wife decided she wanted one, so I had to hunt all the shops. So they're not terribly powerful, but they'll be better than nothing at all. I could convert them, put LiPo battery in them, and make them rechargeable, or just use nickel metal hydride batteries. I've got AAA nickel metal hydride, but as you know, or probably know, I've got plenty of vape batteries, various different sizes. I've no doubt I could fit one of them in there. Maybe even put the charger module next to it so we could do it all in one go. Anyway, when we got home, I was washing some stuff in the kitchen sink, looked in the kitchen window, and look what I found. This is a handheld battery-driven fan with a mister on it, this little pump action mister. So you pump it, squirt water, and the fan blade blows it around. Only thing is, because it's been sitting in the window for so long, it's falling apart. The plastic has degraded in the sunshine. Still working. The important bits are still in one piece. But we didn't need to buy them. Just organise this for the thumbnail. And I'll probably see if I can fix that broken plastic on the other one. Yeah, well, there we go. Thumbnail time. A little follow-on from the previous part of the video. This cap on the mister was falling apart where it's been in the sunshine for probably years. So you might be able to see I've been doing jigsaws, putting the bits back together. coating it in super glue. I don't know if it'll last, but it is back together. I suppose I could put it on there and see if it breaks immediately, couldn't I? Well, it's working at the moment, but I think it'll probably break again. So I've given it a coating of super glue, hopefully to seal where it's dried right out. The plastic is dried out and cracks. So you shut it down, push it in. Got to get it pointing in the right direction. Shut it down, push it in so it goes in those keyholes. And there we go. Well, that is working. Okay, video description will have links to my various fan-related playlists. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.